best vegan breakfast sandwich of all time? I don't know, but it's pretty damn good, and I can't wait to show you guys this legit copycat version of Denny's Grand Slamwich. Look at this bad boy. Oh my god. Definitely the best breakfast sandwich I have ever tried. I cannot wait for you guys to make this. So the Denny's Grand Slamwich traditionally calls for bacon, shaved ham, breakfast sausage crumbles, and some scrambled eggs, but we're gonna make it vegan. So grab some vegan replacements, and we're going to start by cooking up some breakfast sausage. Make sure that you crumble it in the pan until it's in these smaller pieces. It just, you know, replicates the crumbly texture a little bit better. Do the same thing with your tempeh bacon. We're also going to lightly cook up some of the vegan ham slices. For this version of the Grand Slamwich, we will be using the JustEgg folded egg. I also made up a delicious quick maple butter, which is just maple and vegan butter. Add some to each slice of your bread, put it face down, and then we're going to add a few slices of vegan cheese. I use the mature cheddar style, and you're just going to build your sandwich. So add some of that cooked ham, the breakfast sausage crumbles, and the tempeh bacon crumbles, and then put your sandwich together. Let it cook up a little bit longer until the cheese is nice and melty, and then the toast has toasted to be a nice golden brown color, and this is it. It's so flippin' good, you guys. It's like just an indulgent, delicious, ooey gooey, greasy breakfast sandwich that is to die for. And I think it's pretty close tasting to what I remember Denny's Grand Slamwich tasting like. Now, a second take on the Grand Slamwich with JustEgg liquid. We're gonna repeat all the same steps as the first time around, cooking down the plant-based meats in the skillet together. We're pretty much gonna turn this into an omelet type situation. So we're gonna use about half of the bottle of the JustEgg liquid, and we're going to pretty much let it cook down for about 4 minutes on one side until it becomes one solid cohesive unit, as you see here, kind of like a meaty omelet. And this is so good, and it's way less messy than the first time around, as you guys probably saw. This really contains the meat a lot better in the folded egg, instead of having it kind of crumble out of the sandwich, which is a little bit messy. Still delicious, but I just found this a little bit more satisfying to eat. And yeah, kind of repeat the same bread cooking steps as before. A helpful little hack for you if you didn't know this: if you have run out of plant-based butter, you can actually just use mayo on the outside of your bread to grill the bread. It's basically just another plant-based oil that works just as well as butter, which is actually what I've done here today. So repeat all of your sandwich assembling as you did in the first recipe, except you're gonna add in your folded plant-based egg omelet thingamajig, and it just turned out great. Like, look at that. It is so good. Nothing's falling out. Everything's staying in your sandwich. The cheese also helps it stay together. It's delicious. Seriously major yum factor in this breakfast sandwich, and I think it's really good. It was really fun to put together. I definitely want to do more of these copycat recipes in the future, so let me know if you have any ideas of what I should make next, and let me know if you end up making this breakfast sandwich in a comment below. I want to know. You also may have seen that I used Beyond breakfast sausage in this recipe. Well, in this video right up here, we tried out a whole bunch of plant-based sausages for hot dogs, and we definitely had a favorite. So check this video out if you're curious to see what our favorite one was, or if perhaps you're looking for a somewhat more healthier alternative to that grease bomb of a breakfast sandwich. Maybe check out my latest meal prep video right here, which is a breakfast quinoa bowl. I think you guys will really like it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!